Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. Wow. And today we have Celsius Live Fit Artic Vibe.
I tell you what, I think that sounds pretty cool.
It sounds pretty interesting, it is true. Sparkling Frozen Berry Edition. Sounds interesting.
Seems like it's going to have like an ultra,
white ultra taste, yeah, possibly. Well, we got ourselves in the important factors. We got ourselves 10 calories, 2 grams of carbohydrate. We got 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin, 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 300 milligrams of biotin, 10 milligrams of acid, 50 milligrams of calcium, 50 micrograms of chromium. Chromium.
That's weird.
Chromium. Anyways, it's yep. And then we have the Meta Plus proprietary blend of 1.81 grams.
That sounds weird.
200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Interesting. Interesting names.
Yeah.
I've never heard some of those. So.
I kind of feel like I'm going to turn into a different creature. Or have superpowers.
Yeah, exactly right. Now let's give these a try.
That one little sharp smell was good.
Pretty
good. I caught that berry. Frozen berry.
Ooh, this has a little bubble.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah, that definitely needed bubble.
Nice.
Bubbles. Not bad.
Cool.
Definitely refreshing, that's for sure.
You gonna leave any?
Huh?
You gonna leave any?
Yep.
I like the black top there too.
They're pretty good. But yeah, definitely having the bubbles really makes it nice. Just nothing about the bubbles really just helps cleanse the tongue and stuff like that.
Smooth.
Yep.
Not super crazy in the bubble department or in the syrup department.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Pretty good, right?
Only 10 calories.
Yeah. That's what's crazy.
Nice.
It's
Definitely. Yeah, it's a good name. Sparked. Kind of long, but sparkling Artic Vibe. That's cool.
Yep. Yeah,
Non-GMO, gluten-free. Crazy healthy.
Stephanie still has the tea base that they're working off of, but adding those bubbles really does
And I'm actually
add something.
a fan of the caffeine from the tea.
Yeah.
I'm not opposed to that. I think the first time we tried that was at the Rowdy ones.
And those are definitely a lot better. So
I'm okay with that.
they're pretty good though. But yeah, definitely having the bubbles like so they're pretty good.
So where do we put them on the scale?
Taste-wise, for only 10 calories, and I mean, looking here, I don't see any sugar. Oh, there it is. Yeah, no sugars in there.
Nice.
So I mean, I'd say that's pretty good.
Very
I'd say SRT 392. I mean, quantity-wise, because I could definitely go back and drink that again. It almost tastes like a carbonated berry popsicle. Now that I'm thinking about it.
That's true.
So they're pretty good. I like it. So.
I'm going to make a wild berry yogurt almost.
So everybody guys, try that. Let us know what you think about the AJ Allmendinger's drink of Celsius Energy. Pretty good. So let us know. I think that was definitely the best so far. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.